Oh my god, I got exactly what I wanted, you guys. My last sew in was in 2024, which I styled half up, half down hairstyle, and I totally loved it, even though the sew in was so rough. So, which is why we are getting sew in today. Hey, my loves, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine because me, I'm fine. So, on today's video, we are getting sew in done. So first of all, I have to bring out some hair at the front, which I'll be using to cover up the sewing to give it that natural look. I'm glad that this particular hairstyle is finally leaving the list of the hairs I want to try out this year, 2026. So I'm glad I'm doing it. So you guys already know how it's been done. I mean, sew in, how it's been done. If you have never done sew in, just watch this video and you would love it. Trust me, especially when sew in is being done by I know you'll be wondering, how are you going to do this? Don't worry. Do not worry yourself. Just watch this video and see from the beginning. You can already see what I did. Like, I did a very nice job, but this is just me taking you guys on the process of how I got that done. Okay, so firstly, my hair is very long, so I couldn't like put everything together, which is why I am, you know, attacking my hair together with the cornrow so that it could be more relaxed, I mean more smooth. Yeah. So here I have three bundles, 20 inches and 18 inches. But this two bundle is kind of full already and is giving exactly my hair texture. Why the 20 inches looks a bit different. So I just want to like try if these two bundle would be enough. So let's see if it will be enough. And you guys, here I was smelling the hair because it smells good, and I said, of course, it's human hair, so it should smell nice. So let's get started. So making this sew in is not easy if you are not used to doing it yourself. Please be warned. Because I don't want to hear that you got injured while trying to get sew in done by yourself. If you cannot do it by yourself, please let someone do it for you, please. Sew in can be hard sometimes, especially when you are making it yourself. Me, I love to make use of my brain and my hand whenever I am getting sew in done. Yeah, you guys know that I love to do almost everything by myself. So now you have to secure the beginning. I mean, you can see what I'm doing. Just follow the direction of what I'm doing if you want to get your sewing done easily and without getting injured. Okay, and without being disappointed after all the struggle. Thank you. Work with your hand. Do not allow the pin to get to your scalp. Once you've gotten the first line, second line, and third line, honestly, the remaining parts are just coffee. Yeah, is coffee easy to make? No. Mm, okay, tea then. Tea is easy to make. So just follow the direction, first line, second line, third line, and you are good. So my loves, I believe that by now you've understood and seen what we are doing. So you would have picked one or two from this video. So I'm just going to let you all watch to the end and see what we achieved. Okay. get it right. So that is what I did. I took my time. Like I gave my time because I know what I wanted. Yeah. So I didn't rush myself. So I don't want to use gel because I just had my hair washed. So I'm using this extra holding spray just to keep my edges laid just a bit. I know it's not going to stay for long, but just for the moment, at least left me look like someone that just made new hair. So I'm glad that I used that two bundle. If I had used the three bundle, honestly, I wouldn't have liked it because it would be too full, and I don't think I would have, getting the vibe I wanted. I'm so scared of using straightener or heat. Please don't be like me. Do not do that at home. Yeah, don't do it at home. You can see I didn't really like stretch my hair that much, so my natural hair is kind of showing, but I know I did a good job, and this sew in looks so beautiful on me. I'm definitely trying it again, maybe with a different coils or something. So this is where I finally made up my mind to stretch my hair, and I love the outcome. It looks more like my original hair than before. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you'll be trying out this hairstyle. Bye, my love.